I'm John Ripka, Applications Technician with Mate Precision Tooling. The following video will provide instructions for using Mate's 2-inch C-Station thick turret tapping tool from MD Technology. Each thick turret 2-inch unit comes complete with the following items: tapping unit with serial number, a die, oil housing tank with sight glass, 3 feet of hose line with necessary hardware, hose magnet, male socket, which is also in this hardware bag, screwdriver, 3/32 inch hex wrench, a lubrication kit, which includes 1 pint of oil, 1 tube of grease, 1 filter with a screen, 1 grease gun, and 1 oil piston. A priming unit, shims to accommodate various material thicknesses, and taps for specific thread sizes ordered. Optional items may include a machinable stripper for custom applications or an accessories kit, which may include additional hardware to accommodate different pitch inserts for various thread sizes. The next segment will cover assembly and installation into the turret press.